In this video, I'll show you how to create a Lightning record page in Salesforce so you can customize how records appear for your users without writing code. Start by clicking the gear icon and opening Setup, then use the Quick Find search box to open Object Manager. Select the object you want to customize, such as Accounts, Opportunities, or a custom object, and then choose Lightning Record Pages from the left panel. Click New to open the Lightning App Builder and select Record Page as the page type. Give your page a clear label and confirm the correct object. Next, choose a template that defines the layout structure. Then begin dragging components like Highlights panel, related lists, tabs, or custom components into the page regions. You can adjust visibility rules and layout placement to guide how users interact with records. After designing the page, save and activate it for the appropriate apps or profiles. Subscribe for more practical Salesforce tutorials.